to get somebody's attention to get them going.
Today we're going to be looking at the NETVUE solar-powered security camera. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box, demoing it for you, and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Okay, so let's open this box here. The camera itself is quite large, a little larger than I was expecting, actually. It's a little more than a handful in terms of the size. But okay, so everything inside the box is what you see here. Instructions, solar panel, camera, mounting hardware, and the charging cord. This right here, there's two of these, one for the solar panel and one for the actual camera. It makes it super easy to mount these on a surface outside. Under this rubber gasket, you're going to find the SD card slot, the power button, and then what looks like a little power indicator. On the back of the device is where you're going to find the actual charging port right here, protected by a rubber gasket. When it's charging, you'll see that this has a yellow light or an orange light, yellowish orange. And then we're going to install it. Once it's been installed, we're going to open it. And this, oh, it looks like it has a brand new user interface, which is awesome. And it has cloud service upgrades. It has a new web client. Let's see. So we're going to get started. This is actually really nice. I have not had a NETVUE device before, so I'm going to sign up using this little sign up feature. Then you're going to allow it to take pictures and record video while using the app. We're going to click on add a device, outdoor camera. We have this Sentry Plus, add a new camera, open that top part, and we're going to press the power button. I definitely heard a sound and saw the light come on. So we're going to go next. I hear a beeping sound, and then we're going to go next. We have to allow it while using the app for the location, and it's going to search for a Wi-Fi network. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi information, we're going to try to scan the QR code with the camera. Now
Connection succeeded.
Connection succeeded. Woohoo! So now it's connecting. And my Wi-Fi signal is strong. We're going to put it in the garden. Okay, so I confirmed the email, and then if we go here, we can see the camera actually connect. Right there. See? There I am. Hi, everybody. All right, so the first step is to mount the camera mount. There's two different ways you could do this, but we're going to mount it so that the camera's angled down. Next step is to mount the solar panel mount bracket. Okay, so then this piece, this long piece goes right here, and then this little ring goes around that part and snugs it down. Then you just screw the solar panel onto that peg. So there is a screw on the mount. It's a little connector piece that he is going to put into the top of the camera and secure it to the bracket. Just
if
like
it falls
that.
off, I know that I didn't do it right. But it's as easy as that, just like that.
It gives you, there's a lot of extra cord.
A lot of extra cord.
So if you don't have like sun by where you're going to be placing it, you can.
The rubber gasket goes in there really good and great. The rubber gasket is a great fit. In the location that we got, rain won't come down on it, but it'll keep moisture out.
It's real humid here, so humidity is like the downfall for all electronics. Okay, so we just installed it outside. And it is installed, so let's move it around. Yep. Oh, he's doing pull-ups. Lovely. Hey, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me out of the camera? Can you hear me?
I don't think so. Maybe go ahead.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Also has a light. So you can see the light came on.